Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to fix high memory usage or /RAM usage for your Windows 10 computer. Essentially, your RAM or your memory is essentially kind of your temporary memory that allows your programs to run. So typically when you open up a program, it's going to use your RAM or your memory to basically operate that program. What happens is when you close that program, sometimes that allocation of system processing memory that's allocated for that program is still allocated even though the program is closed. So that could be a potential reason why your memory is very low. It needs to release or refresh that memory back to the system for it to be shown as available in allocation. Another reason is if you're using older programs, they typically cause this problem more. Maybe your system's updating, or maybe you're in a new operating system and you're using very older programs and it's not basically communicating with the system as well and releasing the cached memory when you're not using that program anymore. So we're going to just go over a couple solutions. All right, in order to fix this problem, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to our start menu and we're going to type in reg edit. It's going to be a registry editor. You're going to right click, run as admin. Once we get to the registry editor, we're going to go to H key local machine. We're going to drop that menu down. Then we're going to hit the drop down where it says system. Then we're going to drop down the control set 001. Expand the window a little bit. Drop down the services folder. Scroll down the list. We're looking for NDU. There we go. We're looking on the right side. We're going to right click on the start entry. Click modify. Value data is currently set to 2. We're going to change it to 4. Keep it at hexadecimal. Press OK. You can close out the window. Now, if that method number 1 doesn't work, there's a second method we could do. You go over to your start menu and you actually right click on top of the start menu and you're going to click this run button. Then you're going to get this run browser screen pop up and I want you to type in services.msc and then press enter. We're at the services menu. We're looking for Superfetch. Scroll down till we find Superfetch. There we go, right there. It says maintain and improve system performance over time. That's the description. Go ahead and right click on the service, click stop. You're basically stopping the service. Then we're gonna go ahead and double click on it. We're gonna go to startup title, type. We're gonna go to the drop down and click disabled. Then click apply, then click OK. So it won't relaunch every time. Close the computer. So same goes to the first method. After you do them, restart your computer, then running the program and see if everything's working good when you check your memory issues. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.